This video is for the 5th grade read and write assignment. First, you're going to click the document that has your name and grade 5 read and write. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click after your last name up at the top, and then you're just going to type the word and then type in your partner's name. You can have your partner type it in for you or just ask them, make sure that you spell their name correctly. So then from here, you're going to click on the circle in the bottom left corner of your screen. You're going to click on All Apps. Then click on Web Store. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to type read ampersand, which is Shift and 7 on your keyboard. Read and write, all one word, no spaces. Hit enter. And then you'll see Read and Write for Google Chrome. Click on the Add to Chrome button, and then click on the Add Extension button. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click back over to your document, and you're just going to click on the Reload This Page button, which looks like a little circular arrow. Then from here, what should happen is once it reloads, there'll be a little purple RW bar or button that appears right underneath the search bar. There it is. So you're going to click on that. And then what's going to happen is it's going to pop up telling you to choose an account. So you're just going to click on your account and then click on the Allow button. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to start to learn how to use all the tools and answer the questions. So what you're going to do is click on the button that looks like a little, kind of almost like a light bulb with little stars. And then what you're going to do is click in the space and start typing a sentence. And you'll notice that it's predicting what you're going to type.
Like.
And it also reads it. So then what you're going to do is you can turn it off if you don't want it on by just clicking on it a second time. And then you're going to answer the question, what does this button do? And you can just say something like, it predicts what you are going to type. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the word bank. So you're just going to, you can just put your pointer on it and double click on your touchpad. Then you're going to click on the little book button, which is also toward the top left corner. And you'll notice that it comes up with a definition. Next, you're going to click on the little mountain and sun button, which is next to the book button. And you'll see that it brings up a picture definition. So we've got our word definition and our picture definition. So you're going to answer, what do these buttons do? You can say they bring up word and picture definitions. Then what you're going to do is just scroll down a little bit. And then for question 4, make sure your volume is turned up. You're going to do that by hitting the button next to the power button. So we've noticed it's turned up. You're going to highlight where it says highlight this sentence. So just click and drag to highlight it. And then you're going to click on the little triangular play button, which is right there.
Highlight this sentence.
And
then click the button. What does the...
You can hit pause to stop it, or the other little square to stop it. And we're just going to say, what does this button do? It reads what you have highlighted. And then what we're going to do is answer question 5. We're going to click on the little headphone with the microphone button. So we're just going to go into this space, click on that button, and click on allow. Now you're going to start talking. Click that when you're done. Oh, and so now we know what this has done. So what does this button do? It types what you say. All right, and then finally the last question is, how does Read and Write help us to achieve equity in the classroom? And you can say it helps us to use different tools to do the same assignments or the same work. And then the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to turn in your work. So click on the turn in button up in the top right corner. And then from here you click on turn in. And that's it.